Born in Point Pleasant, Ohio in 1822, Ulysses S. Grant became known as a general in the Union Army. He later became President of the United States in 1869. In 1822, Rutherford B. Hayes was born in Delaware, Ohio. He was one of the few presidents that didn't win on a popular vote, but he did win with electoral votes. At the birthplace of 20th President of the United States, James A. Garfield. And now we're going to take a little walk up the hill to see where he was born. Here we are at President Garfield's birthplace. This house overlooks Route 91 and sits on top of a hill right next to the Moreland Hills Police Department. If you wish to come and see it, just cut out Route 91 and you can't miss it. Garfield, like all the other presidents, liked to appoint their friends in office with them. But on a certain person he didn't invite for a job, shot him on July 2nd, 1881. Now he lays in state here in Lakeview Cemetery. This is the Garfield Memorial, President Garfield's tomb. It's located in Lakeview Cemetery off of Mayfield Road in East Cleveland, Ohio. At Lakeview Cemetery in East Cleveland at the tomb of James A. Garfield. James A. Garfield lays in state with his wife and himself here. Benjamin Harris, the 23rd President of the United States, born in North Bend, Ohio in 1833, was best known because of his grandfather, William Henry Harris, who was President of the United States. That's where he got the term, grandfather's hat fits Little Ben. McKinley was born in Niles, Ohio in 1843. He ran a front porch campaign because his wife was an invalid and everybody came to meet him on their front porch. He was shot in 1901, and he lays in state here in Canton off 577. When you think of the Taft family, you think of Ohio politics. Born in 1857 in Cincinnati, Ohio, he never wanted to really be a president. He wanted to be a good old country farm boy. As you could tell, because he kept cows right in the front lawn of the White House. Warren B. Hardee was born in Corsica, Ohio in 1865. He didn't have a very long reign of president, but a lot of important things did happen when he was president. Ulysses Grant was really an honest man, and he helped the country in its troubled times after the Civil War. Ruth B. Hayes reformed the federal government and was the first person to put the civil service organization into work. James A. Garfield was president for only a few months, but who knows what could have happened if he would have lived longer. Benjamin Harrison was way before his time, because he favored a strong foreign policy. He enlarged the Navy and helped us to become a strong country. William McKinley got Philippines, Hawaii, and Guam and Puerto Rico as U.S. possessions. William Howard Taft worked hard for conservation and natural resources. He was one of the first environmentalist presidents. Warren B. Hardee was more of a president of state. He let Congress run the country,